Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making one of my favorite dishes, a Thai-inspired soup, but with my own fusion twist. It's spicy, flavorful, and super comforting, perfect for any weather. So, let's get started. First, I'm gonna chop some fresh ginger. Next, I'll take some lemongrass, lightly press it with the side of my knife to release that beautiful aroma, and then cut it into finger-sized pieces. Now, I'm gonna slice a few Thai red chilies for that kick of spice. Next, separate the yolks from 8 eggs. We'll need just the yolks for this recipe. For this soup, I'll also need sliced mushrooms, shrimp, chicken breast, and some fresh lemon leaves. Now it's time to marinate our shrimp and chicken. In the chicken and shrimp bowl, I'm adding ginger and garlic paste, a bit of red chili powder, and black pepper powder. Then, I'll give it a really good mix so everything is nicely coated. You'll notice the aroma already starts to build up here, so good. In a hot pan, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, not too much. Once the oil is ready, add the marinated shrimp and chicken mixture. We'll fry this for about 20 minutes, or until the moisture dries out and everything looks nicely cooked. After that, take the shrimp and chicken out of the oil and set them aside. Now, take a large cooking pot, add the egg yolks, a little bit of tomato ketchup, and some red hot sauce. Then pour in around 5 cups of water and mix everything really well. Next, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients: chopped ginger, lemongrass, lemon leaves, and those Thai red chilies we prepared earlier. Finally, add the fried shrimp and chicken into the pot. I'm also gonna pour in some soy sauce for that umami flavor. Now, let this cook gently for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat so all the flavors blend beautifully. After 25 minutes, it's time to thicken the soup. Before adding cornstarch directly, always mix around 4 teaspoons of cornstarch with some cold water, stir until smooth. Then slowly pour it into the soup while mixing. After about 5 minutes, you'll see the soup start to thicken. That's the perfect consistency we're looking for. Before turning off the stove, add 5 to 6 green chilies for an extra layer of flavor. Just look at the beautiful color and that rich texture. It smells incredible and tastes even better. Trust me, if you try this at home, you're gonna love it. And that's it, our Thai fusion soup is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time, and as always, happy cooking!